Hey there, Wellness Watchers. Welcome back to our channel where we bring you extensively researched content. Today we are diving deep into a topic that affects everyone, exercising and aging. Buckle up for a journey into the secrets of staying youthful through your years. Aging is a natural part of life, but that doesn't mean we can't do it with style and vitality. Numerous studies from sources like the World Health Organization, the British Medical Journal, and the Albert Einstein College of Medicine have consistently highlighted the positive impact of exercise on aging adults. These researches show that regular exercise can enhance cognitive function, potentially reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline and dementia. Additionally, studies from Yale University School of Medicine and Stanford University School of Medicine emphasize that physical activity helps maintain muscle mass, bone density, and joint flexibility, combating common issues associated with aging. Let's now explore how staying active can turn back the hands of the clock and enhance the quality of life as we age. Number 1, heart health. Engaging in activities like walking, swimming, or cycling will boost cardiovascular health. The British Medical Journal and the World Health Organization recommend at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise weekly. Number 2, maintains muscle mass and bone density. The Texas School of Medicine in Houston advises incorporating strength exercises and resistance training in your routine to preserve muscle mass and bone density, crucial for preventing fragility and osteoporosis. Number 3, flexibility and balance. Practicing yoga or Tai Chi is recommended by the University of Maryland School of Medicine for enhancing balance and flexibility and reducing the risk of falls. Number 4, social engagement. According to studies by the Boston University School of Public Health, exercising with friends or joining group classes for social interaction will foster emotional well-being. Number 5, mood booster. The Albert Einstein College of Medicine and Johns Hopkins School of Medicine highlight the mood-enhancing effects of exercise, releasing endorphins that combat stress and anxiety, fostering a positive outlook. Here are suggestions for maximizing the benefits of exercising. 1, variety. Vary your exercise routine to engage different muscle groups. Cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises contribute to overall well-being. 2, consult a professional. Before starting a new exercise regimen, especially for aging adults, consult a healthcare professional or a fitness expert to tailor a program that suits individual needs and health conditions. 3, stay consistent. The American Heart Association recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise weekly. Precautions. It is recommended that before embarking on any exercise program, consult with healthcare professionals, especially if you are dealing with pre-existing health conditions. Listen to your body and start gradually, avoiding overexertion. Finally, the link between exercising and aging is a powerful one. Consistent physical activity can enhance and maintain your overall well-being as you age. It is never too late to start. Your body will thank you for it. Thank you for watching this video. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Also, please share this video with family and friends and subscribe to our channel for more research-based content. Until next time, stay active, stay youthful, and keep thriving.